Hi, my name is Damian Schiff and I'm an attorney with Pacific Legal Foundation. PLF won a great victory last week for fairness for private property owners in the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. The case is called Barnum Timber Company versus the Environmental Protection Agency. And in this case, PLF represents Barnum Timber, a small family-owned timber company in Humboldt County, California. Barnum Timber filed suit against EPA several years ago challenging the agency's designation of Redwood Creek, a small creek that runs through Barnum's timberlands, as an impaired water body under the Clean Water Act. Now, Barnum challenged that designation because it's flat out wrong, that the science EPA has used just doesn't support the conclusion that the creek is not doing well. The creek is doing fine, and Barnum is contesting that designation because it imposes a significant financial burden on the company. Basically, Barnum is not able to harvest timber within so many feet of the stream. The problem is, though, that the district court judge said that Barnum can't sue EPA because Barnum wasn't injured, notwithstanding the fact that its property values have been decreased significantly because of EPA's erroneous designation of Redwood Creek as an impaired water body. Well, PLF filed an appeal of that decision, and in the Ninth Circuit argued that Barnum Timber Company has a right to challenge environmental regulations that decrease the value of its property. And I'm happy to report that the panel decision ruled in our favor last week and said, of course, a property owner has a right to challenge in federal court any environmental regulation that causes a loss in value to that person's private property. So it's a good day for Barnum that we can now go back to the district court and challenge straight on EPA's decision to list Redwood Creek as an impaired water body. But it's also a great decision, a great victory for property owners throughout the West who now have a precedent that they can use to show why they deserve their day in court to challenge bad environmental regulation that has a bad economic effect.